everybody. Today we are preparing marmitako. Marmitako is a Spanish recipe. I can't remember if it is from Galicia or from Basque area. Anyway, we need 1 pepper, 1 tomato, a peeled tomato can, onion, garlic, potato, and fish. Today here we have a piece of tuna fish. This is about 300 grams, but the recipe is for, let's say, half kilo. First of all, we open the red pepper. We take off the seeds, as I'm using just half of this. So as the doses is a little less, I'm using just of the tuna. I am using a little less red pepper. Okay, so we take off the seeds and the white part, and then we cut in cubes, in small cubes. Okay. Okay. Then everything into the pots. We have olive oil. We put this to fry. Okay? Low flame. Low flame, and it goes. Then we prepare onion and garlic. Let's go. Now onion and garlic is ready. I take the red pepper is going. I take the tomato, and in a very Spanish way, I try to peel, if I'm able, at least a part. Okay, and I scrape it, el tomate rallado, okay? Instead, with the same of Parmesan cheese. Okay. La ragliatura sta perfetta perché it was perfectly mature. Okay. So I take the skin, throw it in here. Now we add the onion and garlic. In the meantime, I take the potato. That can be in the amount that you decide. Oh, it is going. Well, I peel the potato. Now, we put in our dish the scraped tomato. We need the scraped tomato, we need the 1 can of pelati, and half can of water. So it is going. I wait a while that it gets more juicy. Okay, so I move the camera. Now we add the red pepper needs to be a little cooked, it needs to go a while. We add the peeled tomatoes. And half can of water. Plus 2 leaves of laurel. Okay? Now it starts going. I take the potatoes and I cut in cubes. After 10 minutes about that the sauce is going, I add the potato cubes. In the meantime, I cut the tuna in cubes, same measure of same size of the potato, while the potato is going. But to put it in the water, I wait that in the sauce, I wait that the potato is almost done, because the tuna takes, I don't know, 3-4 minutes, 5, I mean, last minute. Our sauce is going. The potato takes, I don't know, 20 minutes to go. So about average 10 minutes, the tomato alone, plus, I don't know, let's say 15 with the potato, plus 5 minutes with the fish. This is super cool recipe, also because you can prepare it also on board. One thing, the pepper at the beginning has to go a while, has to make the oil tasty. It has to tiene que deshacerse, just to, yeah, to melt it for a little into the olive oil. Very good. Now the potato begins to be cooked. It's still hardish, but starts to be. So I take the tuna, same measure of the potato, and put it inside en la olla. Okay, and here we go. These are about 5 to 10 minutes cooking. Smells delicious. Well, I guess we're ready. Potato is done. Tuna is done. Okay. Ready to go. I will add some salt and, well, it looks delicious, doesn't it? Okay. E buon appetito, sailing Italian style.